Dennis Trillo says womanizing is not in his vocabulary. Womanizing is not in the vocabulary of Kapuso drama king Dennis Trillo, as he expressed that he is extremely loyal to his wife, Ultimate star Jenilyn Mercado. As he himself has said, throughout the long time he and Jen have been together, he has never had any issues regarding infidelity. In the world of show business, it is quite common that celebrities would be involved in cheating, womanizing, and relationship controversies. Dennis Trillo somehow was able to dodge the bullet when it comes to these kinds of issues. During a recent interview on the Kapuso afternoon talk show Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, the actor stressed, "Siguro sa tagal namin magkasama ni Jen, mula noon hanggang ngayon, parang wala naman kayong narinig na naging problema tungkol sa mga ganyan." He also said that he could say that he is 100% loyal. Dennis added that he does not want to add a problem in his life when he would be unfaithful. With everything that he does, the actor said that he could not afford to be involved in a controversy. Ayoko na siyang bigyan ng mga dahilan para magselos. Unang-una, Tito Boy, kumbaga sinisiguro ko na lahat ng kilos ko, alam mo yun, hindi niya pag-iisipan ng kahit na ano, the actor shared.